Dear friends, do you know that we can send messages in different fonts on WhatsApp? It is a very interesting feature in WhatsApp about which I did not know for quite a long time. I have been searching the internet to find out if we can send messages in different fonts. Only recently I found out that we can do it. Like this, there are several other nice features in WhatsApp about which we are not aware. I am going to tell you in the video about all these features one by one. So go through the video till the end. You will find it is a treasure of information about WhatsApp. Now let us go straight away into the video. First and foremost, check and see whether you have Memo in your mobile. If it is not there, go to Play Stores and download Memo and install it. I have installed it already and it is available on my phone. So go to Memo, open Memo. I have already stored some messages in this Memo which can be sent just by clicking on that as a message in WhatsApp. This is called a quick response. When you are busy doing something and you want to send a message and you don't have time to type the message on the phone and send it, you can use these messages. Now let us see, supposing you want to send a message, I am busy right now, I will call you back in 15 minutes. What you do is you touch the plus sign here and it will open like this. So you enter the message here. I am busy. I will call you in 15 minutes. Now you have to store this in the memo. So let us see. Put a tick mark. It has appeared here. I am busy. I will call you in 15 minutes. See. Now you select all and then you click copy. Once you click copy, it will automatically be stored in clipboard. Once it is stored in clipboard, you can send it through WhatsApp. Now let us go to WhatsApp. Let us open WhatsApp and supposing you want to send the message to sisters. So click here on messages. You find the message is already there. See, I am busy, I will call you in 15 minutes. If it's not there also, and under the message you will find 3 ellipses. You touch them, it will open this page. So clipboard is there, theme, text editing, share Gboard, one-handed, floating, all these are there. You click on clipboard. When you click on clipboard, you will see all the messages there. Happy birthday, hello, shall we meet tomorrow, I will be there in 5 minutes, I will be there in 15 minutes, happy birthday, wish you all the best, I am driving, I will call you later. All these messages are stored already there. You touch this message, it will come there and then you send it. So that is so easy, sending a quick response message. Now let us see how to send messages in different fonts. Sending messages in different fonts is a very interesting feature. I am surprised to find how easy it is to send message in different fonts. Now let us see how to do it. On your phone, you go to Google search and then type Lingo Jam there. When you type Lingo Jam, you will get this fancy text generator. Let us open the fancy text generator. It comes like this. Normal text you have to type here and then fancy text will appear in the box at the bottom. So let us type a message. say, let us say happy birthday, dear Ganesh Ji. So the message has appeared here in different fonts. If you scroll down on this page, you will find the message which you type in a lot of different fonts. You choose whichever font you like and send it to your friend on WhatsApp. Click on this and then select this and then touch copy. Once you touch copy, it will automatically be stored in the clipboard. So let us close this and go to WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and you will see here message. Open the message. You will see here that the message has appeared here. You click that and it has gone. You can touch this 3 dots here, go to clipboard, you will find the message sitting there. You can also translate that message into different languages. Say let us go to message. You touch on this translate and the space appears here where you have to type the message in English. So you choose the language in which you are going to type. I have chosen English, and the language in which you want the translation to be done, I have taken selected Tamil. So here you type the message. Happy birthday. Happy birthday Ganesh. So it has come there. It will automatically go. That is how you translate the message which you want to send. There is another trick which you can use to send files or photographs or albums from your mobile phone to the PC. You open WhatsApp and you touch the 3 ellipses on the right hand side and choose new group. It says add participants. Let us say I add this participant, and then it wants me to type the group name. I'll type it as personal group. So now you go and get the group info. In the group info you will find there are 2 participants in the group. You are the group administrator.
You delete the other participant.
So this group has got only one person now. That is you. You are the administrator of the group and you are the only person in the group. Now if you want to send something to your PC from your mobile, you choose that personal group and then from the gallery you select something. You select this one and then you add a caption, call it Rangoli, and then send it. Open WhatsApp on PC and you will find it has appeared there already. Now if you want to send a message in Hindi to one of your contacts, you just go to WhatsApp, select the contact select a contact and then type the message here. I don't know Hindi, so I cannot type in Hindi, so I will type in English and it will translate it to Hindi. Typing language I have chosen as English. The translated language I have to choose is, now it is Tamil, I have to choose Hindi. I have chosen Hindi, so I will type here the message. I have written Sensex is going up and it has translated it into Hindi. Sensex upar ja raha hai. So you click on this, it will go to the person. That is how you translate and send the message. And if he replies in Hindi, I can copy that and put it here. It will translate it into English.
Please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell and leave your comments below.